Hi, this is Rick here at SellerMetrics, releasing a new feature that I think will help a lot of sellers out in terms of optimizing their ad spend. So the features that I'm talking about is Dayparting. So the Dayparting is within the automation settings, and at the Dayparting column, you can see like the icon. So if I want to initiate Dayparting, so what we do is that I click on the icon and I can select multiple campaigns to enable that settings on. So let's just say I want to create Dayparting settings for my baby mount product across all my different accounts. Baby mount. Then you could also go on your different time zones that you want to select for Dayparting. For this example, I like to use US Pacific, a similar time zone as your Amazon Seller Central account. Right? So this Dayparting is best used in conjunction with your business report on Seller Central. So how you're going to go there is go to your report, business report, and then you can see your sales history and see where are the time spikes are for your product. So in my case, it seems like anywhere from 12 PST until around 10 p.m. PST time seems to be my peak hours. So if that is the case, I could set the Dayparting to enabled during these time by selecting the time grid over here. So as I mentioned, it would be 12 to 10. Right, and then you select that for one day, you double click on it, and then you could set as either recur on a once a week basis, or you could set it daily, so you set it every single day. Apply. And optionally, you could also set the specific target date range you want this Dayparting to enabled on and end on. Right. These are particularly useful for maybe like holidays, Prime days, or Christmas days where you really want to be efficient with your ad spend. So as you can see that I selected when the specific dates that I want to enable. On the other end, you could also select specific time and dates that you want to pause your campaign. So if I only choose enabled, then the rest of the times and dates where it's not filled out will be paused. So I'm gonna click on create and then read the instruction carefully. In that, if you enable Dayparting, we basically will take over the enabled state of your campaign, and basically anything that you do on the Amazon Ad Console will be overwritten by the system. And secondly, it would take around 5 to 10 minutes for the actual campaign state to actually propagate through the system. And then confirm. There you go. As you can see, the icon on the Dayparting has now highlighted in dark blue, showing that the settings, right, has been enabled for these three campaigns right here. If there's any additional questions on the Dayparting feature, feel free to reach out at admin@sellermetrics.app.